Hi, hello, welcome to AM Collections. Today we are going to show you some beautiful tussers with exclusive cutwork. So we have different types of cutworks today, as the model is wearing a steel grey color with lotus cutwork. So we have got similar cutwork sarees also today. So the model is wearing a Gicha Tussar sari with exclusive cutwork, around 4 inches of cutwork on the top of the borders, and that's your pallu. Pallu is of almost half meter jal work for the pallu. So these saris comes with silk mark certification, as these are pure tussars, comes with silk mark certification. So we have got so many collections, tussar collections with cutworks today with different color combinations and different ranges. Each and every sari is in discount, guys. So you'll be getting a silk mark certification for this sari. The quality is absolutely perfect. So we can assure the quality, as you could see in the video itself. So this is our tussar cutwork show. Hi Divya, hello, welcome to the show. Yeah, let's start with Gicha cutworks with floral cutworks. These are floral cutworks with mirror work. So the mirror work is highlight for this sari. So this is a first sari which is a copper color. It's a copper color, guys, and the fabric is absolutely gorgeous fabric, as it is 100% silk, comes with silk mark certification. So this is our sari number 1 with exclusive cutwork along with mirror work. So the cutwork comes around 4 places throughout the sari. So that's your beautiful pallu. The quality is absolutely stunning, as you could see. This is not very stiff, and as you could see, it is quite flowy. And see the work, almost half of your pallu. So it's a half meter of the pallu. It's a diagonal cut, cross cut work it is. Triangle shape of cut work. It's a copper color with a contrast sea green color mirror work and orange color work. So yeah, this is the throughout the sari looks like that, and you'll be getting work for your pleats also. So fine cut work it is. Very classy. Let me zoom it. Yeah, see the quality and see the very fine cut work it is. It's a pure tussar, guys. A copper color, comes with silk mark certification from AM Collections. And the weight of the sari is 450 grams. The weight of the sari is 450 grams. That's your blouse. Blouse also has got work for your sleeves. So this is our sari number 1. Let me show you the pallu in zoom. See the pallu, beautiful pallu, and the work is quite classy and decent. Beautiful sari. So we have started with a beautiful copper color today. This is a Kutch inspired work, guys. So it looks almost like a Kutch work.
Kutch cut work.
Kutch cut work it is, with mirrors, and the mirrors gives you that beauty. Beautiful sari, and you will be getting a running blouse for this
With embroidery cut work for the sleeves.
No Divya, the mirror work won't come out. So the mirror work is been done with machine, so it won't come out. Yeah, that's your beautiful sari. So this is priced at 4,800, guys. These saris are exclusive tussars with silk mark certification, and we are giving these saris in a discounted price. It's a lockdown sale, I would say. So this is a blue color, a bright royal blue color, a purplish royal blue color it is. So this is another color in this range. A similar kind of cut work. Even you could see the pallu has got huge work. That's your pallu. Yeah, it's very nice sari. So this is a sari number 2. So you will be getting 3 different triangle bunches of cut work throughout the sari. Along with that, you will be getting that sleeves cut work also. Yeah, price of this sari, Divya, is 4,800. It comes with silk mark certifications. This is a very classy, and the cut work is quite visible, and the color is such an amazing color. See,
It's shining.
it has got shining also. As the color is so bright, it has got beautiful shining. See the drape look, guys. So amazing sari it is. So you can wear a contrast, the mirror work has been done with pink color. Let me zoom it. The mirror work is been done with pink color, so you can wear a pink color blouse also. Otherwise there is a running blouse as the sari has got. So that's your beautiful sari, the beautiful cut work. See the texture of the fabric also. Quite decent, and as you could see, Divya, the mirror won't come out. See the work? It's quite thick and the mirror won't come out at all. See the backside work also. Fabric is quite classy. Yeah, see the flow of the fabric. I mean, see the texture. Such an elegant fabric it is. Yeah, that's the sari texture, fabric texture. That's your work. So you'll be getting heavy work on the pallu and a triangle work near the shoulder part, and as well as you'll be getting the work for your pleats also. And for the blouse, for your sleeves also, there will be a cut work. So this is a very classy and beautiful blue color. Those who want to block any particular sari, guys, there is a link given in the description. You can click the link and you can WhatsApp us. So these saris are really gorgeous, and these are coming in a very discounted price. You can check out in the market and you won't be getting such a good feel, texture, the fabric also, I would say. These saris comes with silk mark certification, a beautiful tassels with exclusive and very heavy cut work along with mirrors. So these are priced at 4,800 only. Those who want to block, just take a screenshot and block the sari. So this is our sari number 2, priced at 4,800, and there is a work for your pleats. See, there is another bunch of work. It has got huge work, guys. Such a decent and classy work. So for blouse also you'll be getting work for the sleeves. So the length of the sari is 6.5 meters. So you'll be getting 1 meter blouse. 100% hand woven sari it is. Because of the stripes of the texture, that itself tells you that this is 100% hand woven tassel. Comes with silk mark certification. A beautiful sari with a beautiful work. Thank you, Divya. Let's see another color in this. It's an orangish, orangish color with yellow combination of cut work. So this is also a very classy and a rare color. The color combination of cut work is really amazing. Very sober color combination. A subtle color combination. It's a light orange, I would say. Saffron color, more of saffron color. It's the same color as you're seeing in the video. A beautiful sari. Guys, these are 100% hand woven saris. So no doubt in that, and comes with silk mark certification also. Please share this video with your family and friends, guys. Those who love handlooms, they would definitely love to see such beautiful videos. Now this is the sari. It's a saffron color with yellow color cut work. A very subtle color combinations. Comes with mirror work. That's your sari. This is a sari number 3. Sari number 1 and 2 will be shown later at the end of the video. Guys, stay tuned. Do watch the video completely. You will be getting more cut works in a different color combinations are yet to come. So stay tuned to the video. This is your pleats part and see the texture of the fabric. The flow is amazing, guys. This is what our model wants to show. The flow is really amazing. Yeah. So for this sari, so you'll be getting a blouse with sleeves cut work. So that's your beautiful blouse piece. Comes with cut work along with mirrors. Let's see a drape look of the sari. That's a beautiful sari. See, that's your drape look, guys. This is priced at 4,800. A very rare saffron color with a mustard yellow color combination of cut work along with mirror work. The mirrors has got very nice shining. See the work, and the fabric is absolutely amazing. It's a beautiful tussar with a great texture. Texture itself says it's really beautiful. Comes with silk mark certification, guys. It's a saffron color. Let's see another one, which is a green color, light green color, leafy green color. It's a green color, leaf green color.
With baby pink embroidery.
With baby pink embroidery and light parrot green embroidery as well. And the mirrors work has been done with white color thread. So the mirrors look so, elevated in this with the white color threads. That is your sari. So for the pallu, you'll be getting a diagonal work, cross cut work, and as well as you'll be getting a triangle bunch of work for your shoulder and a triangle bunch of work for your pleats. So it's a leaf green color with baby pink color and parrot green color cut work. So beautiful sari. Hi Momita, the price of this sari is 4,800. We have got different color combinations in this. This is a leaf green color. So all are single pieces, guys. We have each and every sari in a single color only. We don't have any multiple pieces. These are very exclusive and only single pieces we have. So that's your beautiful blouse piece. So you will be getting a triangle bunch of cut work for your pleats as well. So if anybody wants to wear in pleats, so they can wear like this. Otherwise, for this sari you can wear in a single layer only. That will look beautiful. Yellow one, yeah, we're gonna show you, Monica. Yellow one is also priced at 4,800. We're gonna show you right now. After this sari, we will show you the yellow one also. So this is the cut work for your shoulder part. The similar cut work will be coming for your pleats also. So it's quite heavy and quite decent. Like when you wear the pleats, the cut work is quite visible.
So this is sari number.
This is sari number 4, priced at 4,800. Those who want to block any particular sari, guys, take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. We don't take any pre-bookings and we don't take any customizations later. So if you want to block any sari, just you can block now itself. And these are pure hand woven tassels comes with silk mark certification, and each and every sari in discount sale. The price of this sari is 4,800. And as you all know the market prices, so I no need to tell that. So these are all in discounted rates. So this is our yellow color one. It's a bright yellow one with yellow and white color cut work, and as well as the mirror work is in contrast. The highlight for this sari is the mirror work, guys. Mirror work has been done with a red color, beautiful red color. Thank you, Momita. Thank you so much. Mirror work is beautiful. Yeah, tussar quality, as you could see, it is beautiful. Tussar quality is amazing. So that's your pallu with a very heavy cut work on the pallu, diagonal cut work. The quality of the tussar is visible in this color. As it is a light color, you could make out the quality. See the work. The mirrors are really amazing. Looks so beautiful in this sari. See the texture of the fabric. Yeah, that's your texture. It's 100% hand woven, guys. Comes with silk mark certification. So this is an yellow one. A bright yellow color. It's the same color as you're seeing in the video, the same to same color. So you'll be getting a bunch of work for your shoulder part and as well as your pleats part as well. And the pallu has got a diagonal heavy cut work. Even for the blouse you will be getting cut work for the sleeves.
This is your sari number?
This is your sari number 5. Seema, there is no COD available right now. So if you want to block any sari, within 24 hours of your payment, your product will be shipped and we will share you the tracking. Mostly 4 to 5 days, the product will be delivered. Yeah, Anupama, it's more like mango yellow only. Let's see another one, which is a maroonish peach. It's like, it's more like a deep peach color. Yeah, this is the exact color, guys, with the blue color. This is a rare color with the blue color combination of cut work. Guys, we have each and every sari, we have only single pieces. I mean the color combination, we have only single pieces. So if you want to block any particular sari, as these are in discounted prices, if you like any particular sari, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And we don't take any pre-bookings or any customizations from AM Collections. We never take any pre-bookings, guys. So if you like any sari, you can book. There's a link given in the description also. So this is a very nice color. A peachish maroon kind of color. A very rare color. So this has got cut work with the peach color and as well as white color. And the mirror work has been done with blue color. So the mirror work is quite visible. This is the cut work for your shoulder. That is your cut work for your pleats cut work. And for your sleeves also you'll be getting cut work along with mirror work. So the length of the sari is 6.5 meters and the width of the sari is 45 inches.
And the shade of the saris?
It's a peachish maroon color. I don't say it's dark maroon, it's a peachish maroon. The same color as you're seeing in the video. The same color. It's a very rare color. Yeah. This is priced at 4,800, guys. So let's see another different kind of cut work. We have a single piece in this. Meena ji, the weight of the sari is approximately 500 grams. Sure, Maumita, you can share it. You can share with your friends, and you can share this video also with your family and friends. So this is a very classy, and we have a single piece in this. This is a purple color. With a floral cut work. So this sari is not having any zari borders, but it is having around 4 inches of cut work. And the cut work is very classy. I mean, it has got so much of work. Pallu. See the pallu. Pallu is of almost half meter jal work is being done with the on the pallu. See the work on the pallu.
Resham threads.
And these are Resham threads, guys. It has got lots of shining. That's your beautiful pallu. This is the only sari in this design we have. It's a single piece sari. It's a single piece which is left with us. So this is priced at 5,600. This is priced at 5,600, guys. It has got huge work. That's your blouse piece. For blouse also you'll be getting cut work for the sleeves. It's a very nice color. And the color combinations of cut work is also amazing. It has got that bright red color along with yellow color borders. So it's quite visible. Hi Samtaji. Hello. I guess you are late today. Yeah, this is priced at 5,600. So now we're going to show you a sari which is the similar one which the model is wearing right now. It's a grey color one. So yeah, this is a copper color. It's the same sari as the model is wearing with the lotus cut work. Yeah, let's see the pallu. That's your beautiful pallu. It's a single piece, guys. We have already taken a grey piece which my model liked it, and we have taken that grey one for us. So that is not at all for sale. The copper one is for sale. Thank you so much, Samtaji. It's the same sari. Sindhu is wearing a grey one. It's the same sari. It's a copper color. It's the same to same sari with a different color combination. A copper with orange color along with golden zari borders. And pallu has got almost half meter jal pallu. And this sari has got lots of shining because of the color. And the fabric is absolutely amazing, and you could see the texture, no need to say that. It comes with Silk Mark certification. Yeah, see the texture and see the work, very fine work, and the lotus work is clearly visible. The cut work, that's your cut work. That's your zari, golden zari. 3 inches golden zari work. This is the sari. I mean, it's your draped look.
Got pom-poms as well.
It has got pom-poms too. So this is a single piece which is available with us.
This is your blouse.
That is your blouse part. That's your blouse part with cut work on the sleeves. Yeah, this is priced at 5,600, guys. This is priced at 5,600. Let's see Desi Tussar sari. It has Desi Tussar The fabric is desi tussar and the work is quite classy. I mean, the color is it's a rust color, a dual tone, like it looks like peachish color, also peachish rust color with the pink color floral cut work on that. So this is a single piece again with us with the yellow color pipings for the sari. So this is a pure desi tussar, guys. This is not Geisha, this is a pure desi tussar. Comes with silk mark certification. Each and every sari which we have shown in our live today, every sari comes with silk mark certification. In this particular sari, the work is quite different. It has got the bunches of floral embroidery and as well as that cut work. That box cut work is been done on the sari throughout the borders and on your pallu also. Yeah, this is the exact color, guys. Now the color,
along with
it comes with yellow piping also. So that is your beautiful sari. This is priced at 5,500. This is the only sari. It's a single piece we have. This is priced at 5,500. Comes with silk mark certification. A very cool color it is. Mommy, the price of this sari is 5,500. The heavy cut work on pallu. Pallu has got two big stripes along with cut work.
Even the blouse has got.
Yeah, that's your blouse. Blouse has got cut work for your sleeves.
And it comes with silk mark.
It comes with silk mark certification. As it is pure desi tussar, comes with silk mark certification. So we're going to show you our sari number 1 and 2 in the last of the video. So yeah, this is the fabric and that's the exact color with pink color self and the colors, that pink looks so subtle in this fabric. That's your fabric. That's your cut work. So this is priced at 5,500. Yeah, this is the exact color. So let's see our sari number 1 and 2 with the floral cut work along with mirrors. This is for you, Samtaji. You missed the show today in the starting saris. These are this is a sari number 1. Which is a copper color. The sea green color mirror work, contrast sea green color mirror work. Yeah. So we have got so many colors in this. This is priced at 4,800. This is sari number 2, which is a bright royal blue color. With pink color mirror work. So it's a blue color. Yeah, this is also priced at 4,800. We're going to show you the colors which we have in this similar cut work. So we have got an yellow one. So this is another color in this. Price is same 4,800. Comes with silk mark certification. We have got a green one also. It's a leaf green color. It's a peachish maroon color and the similar cut work. This is also priced at 4,800. It has got blue color contrast mirror work for this saree. Okay, sure, Meenaji, I'll show you the purple one again. This is the one. This is with exclusive floral cut work without zari borders. The cut work is approximately 4 inches of cut work and the pallu has got half meters full jal work along with flowers, contrast flowers. So this is a single piece which we have. It's a unique and very classy piece. And we have a copper color in the similar sari what model is wearing today. This is a copper color with orange color lotus work. Yeah. This is a Desi Tussar one. This is 5,500. Only one piece. It's a peachish red color. Only one piece available with us. Priced at 5,500 with exclusive cut work and pallu has got huge cut work. Very fine cut work it has got. Meenaji, are you talking about this sari? I mean, you wanted to see the close-up of this sari. Let's show the pallu. The work, I mean.
Let me open one.
This is one layer look of the sari.
The cut work is very fine.
The cut work is very fine, guys. See the cut work, Meenaji. It's quite classy and decent. And the cut work, the flower work is not so particularly visible. It's of more like subtle colors. Sujata ji, the price of the purple one is 5,600. That is priced at 5,600. This particular saree, it's a Desi Tussar with a pink color floral cut work and with a heavy cut work on pallu. This is priced at 5,500. Gauri, the price of purple one is 5,600. The purple one is priced at 5,600. This is the sari. Throughout the sari, you will be getting. Sure, Meenaji. I'll show you the floral work of the purple one. That is your pallu. That's your blouse. Blouse has got sleeves work. So I'll show you the purple one.
Quality.
See the texture and quality, guys. This is pure Desi Tussar. Comes with silk mark certification. Gauri, the material of the purple one is Gecha Tussar. It's Gecha Tussar. The one model is holding right now. It's a Desi Tussar. It's a very fine. That purple one sari fabric is very fine quality Gecha Tussar. It is. Comes with silk mark certification. So let's see the purple one floral work in close up. Meenaji, this is for you. See the floral work in close up. So the floral work has been done with red color. It's a red color. It's not too bright as you are seeing. It's a red color with yellow color outline. I hope it's clear now. So it is the same color as you're seeing in the video. This is priced at 5,600. No, that is red. It is not orange, Meenaji. The work is red only. The outline is yellow. That is why it is little bright, otherwise it is not orange. It's red color. It's a red color, not orange. Yeah, with this we have finished our cut work collection which are in discount sale, and we will be coming up with another video in next, by tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll come up with other sarees. Thank you so much guys. Keep supporting us, keep supporting handlooms. Thank you so much. This is Bindu and that is Sindhu signing off. Bye bye.